The next is cell referencing to another sheet. For example, I have entered some marks here on sheet 1. I have entered some marks here in sheet 1. Suppose this is the marks of half yearly 85, and here I have entered the marks of annual exams, and here I want the total of these two values. So how will I get the total? So let's see the address. It is in G2. So press is equal to, then I need to enter the address of this sheet. Just simply click on it. I want to add it, so add a plus sign. Then that marks is on sheet 1. Then give a sign of exclamation by using shift plus 1. Then give the cell address, that was G2, and then press enter. So here you can see you have got the answer. So you have used the reference of sheet 1 on sheet 2. So this is cell referencing to another sheet. The next topic is formula errors. There are different type of errors that you get in Excel. What does it mean? So the first one is this kind of error. Suppose you have entered a formula and you have got hash. So it means that there is not enough space for the result. So if I will increase its width, then it will be visible. So it indicates that there is no enough space to show the value. The next one is let me show you. Here I have already used the this sum function. Suppose I am removing this parenthesis, and from here also I am removing. Then you have seen this, it is indicating that you have used the formula incorrectly. So now if I am giving the parenthesis, and here also I am giving, then it is okay. The next one is, like here in computer, instead of value I have entered some text. Okay, and instead of using this sum function, I am using the basic formula to add this value. Like I'm using C1 plus D1 plus E1 F1 plus G1. So if I will enter, then this will be occur. Why? Because I have entered here 1, and in 1 you can see in C1 English has been written, in D1 Hindi has been written, means there is no value for the calculation. So when it occurs, when the formula contains invalid data, these are alphabetical, these are text, and text cannot be calculated. Then next is in this cell I have entered two values, 4 and 0, and now here I'm using a formula is equal to A1 divided by B1. Then you will get this error. It is mentioned that divided is an error. Divided by 0 is not correct formula. So next and the last one is managing worksheet. How can you manage the worksheet? Suppose if you want to change the name of the worksheet, how can you change? For that you need to right click on the sheet tab. Just right click on it, and rename is there. Just select it and give the name whatever you want. Like I have given class 7, and press the enter key. So instead of right click, you can just double click on this and you can give the name whatever you want. Next is deleting worksheet. If you want to delete any worksheet, so what you have to do, just right click on it and delete. Remember one thing, when you delete any worksheet, you cannot take it back using the undo command. Like if you are deleting any cell, any column, any row, so you can get it back using the Ctrl Z, but if you are deleting any worksheet, you cannot get it back. The last one is changing the color of sheet tabs. If you want to change the color of these tabs, just right click on it and tab colors and select the required color. Right click, then tab color, select the color. So in this way you can change the color.